In this video, I want to give you an overview of the purpose of the project view. Now, by default, using the wide layout that is kind of the standard for Unity when you first open it up, the project view is going to be located down here round about the middle of your interface. Now, in generally, what is the project view for?
Well, the project view is basically the library of all your assets. It's actually the place that you go that has all the projects that are available for you to use in any of the scenes that you use and create inside of this project.
That's right. Anything that we are going to add into our scene, we'll find inside this project. Now, I've got my project view organized into a series of folders, and you should always keep your project view as organized as you possibly can, because nothing is more frustrating than having to search for every single thing in here and not knowing where you're going to find things. But this is just a basic folder structure, exactly like something you would create inside of your operating system, such as Windows. And in another video, we're going to actually take a look at the fact that this does correlate to a folder location in your operating system. But you can expand each one of these folders, and within each one, you'll find sometimes subfolders. You'll find various prefabs for objects that are within that particular folder, and you can dig down and see all of the assets to which you have access, things that you can put into your scene.
Right, and for the most part, the way you lay this out and organize stuff is up to you. You can pretty much go in, set up folders, subfolders, name it anything you want, with only a couple of exceptions, which, unless you're getting into scripting, will never affect you.
Right.
So,
again, because this is just kind of like a repository for everything that you're going to be using for your game. Now, in a future video, we'll take a look at how we can create various objects inside this, including folders, and how to help keep things organized. And I think that's everything I wanted to show here, is just give you a really general idea of the project view and what it's for. But it's important that you don't get confused and think that your project view shows all of the things that are in your game. It shows all of the things that could potentially be in your game.
Correct.
It's all of the weapons you have at your disposal, so to speak, but not necessarily what you're using in the particular scene that you're looking at. And that is going to wrap things up for this video. Thanks a lot.